beginnings of the bathroom wall with the heater area and going into the closet. Making progress on the interior bathroom walls. Putting some pieces in, just some filler. Gotta sand this down, you know, it's just gotta make it work. Got the front closet slash bathroom furnace wall in. As you can see there, it's the opening for the closet. And then in here, I'm gonna come in here, and now you're standing in the bathroom and you're looking. This would be like, you know, this is going to be in the bathroom, right? So, got insulation cut to go into this gap here. And after that goes up, got to put the paneling on here that I got notched out. Like that. You know, that needs to be on for the waterproofing panel. That's going to go on later. And then we can build the counter. Next wall is in. Bathroom counter, I'm calling it. And got the paneling in for the inside there. So I got to do this back wall. There's another look. There's, you walk in the bathroom there, and then you have that cubby. So this wall has to get built, and then the whole bathroom will be framed out. Nice! Been a couple of days, but in video time it's going to be a second. So here it is. Got the entire bathroom framed out. There's your rear wall, or the cubby wall, back wall. Let's give you a look from this side. Underneath there, that's the underside of the counter. Had to sand this down, or have to sand this down still to make it even. Stuff isn't perfectly square, but it's good enough. So let's keep going. Here are the sheets. Got 3 of them damaged, 50% off. Good deal. Cut off this test piece here, and we're gonna cut it in half and get a piece of the lawn paneling and glue it on there and test it out. So we're gonna cut it off, test it gluing it on the cracked ice side, and test it gluing it on the smooth side, because we want to, as of now, use the smooth side as the outside because we don't like cracked ice. Test glue piece was successful. It's on there the way that it's designed, and then the cracked ice glue side down is on there. So the glue will work with the smooth side facing up, which is technically the back. We have all of the cinnamon Philadelphia cream cheese spread on the panel. On the largest panel of the bathroom wall. Okay, we are back. Update on the camper build. Working in the bathroom. See, everybody knows this because they're probably on a video that 3 seconds ago I was working on the bathroom, but in real life it's been like days. Anyway, here it is. You know, you walk in here, the bathroom. FRP panels are in. All of the corner pieces. This is kind of hard without a wide angle lens. There you go. There's the countertop here. It is not the simplest task, but they're in. I got some gaps here, you know, we're gonna have to work with silicone. That's what it's gonna be. Do the best we can with what we got. Like, this is a big gap, silicone. It'll work. Have faith. It'll work. So you gotta scrub off the paint that the store painted on there. We used liquid nails 310 is the number of the FRP adhesive in the beginning, and that stuff works awesome. It's like the perfect amount of stick. It's great. And then we went to the Tight Bond FRP panel adhesive, and it was not as good, but it worked. You know, look at that. Jesus, this needs to be pushed on. How are we doing around here? Junk. Cutaway section view of the bathroom wall. FRP panel, there's a Luan paneling, 3/4 inch insulation, another piece of paneling that you see right there. Drilling for the shower head. Let's see if we can do this without messing anything up. Got the holes done in the shower, right? Now, shower valve in the back has to be spaced out just, well, 3/4 of an inch has to get spaced out away from the wall to be mounted so that, you know, you can run your plumbing and everything like that, and the shower handles will be on the inside. Here is the shower valve. Goes on the inside of the wall, through the wall. This is gonna get spaced out 3/4 of an inch, and I had to cut that out. I didn't have the right little U-clamps. So these are old dirt bike, I don't know if it was like a bracket that held onto the handlebars of a dirt bike for like a mirror or something like that. I don't even know what it was. It's a piece of aluminum. So I stole these off of there. It's going to be perfect. Isn't it nice when you just find stuff salvage? That's why I save everything. Such a pack rat. Shower valve here. Got it mounted on there. Now we got to start putting the fittings in. We have got the shower head installed. Went with putting this little 1x here to 1x4, 3.5 inches, 3/4 wide, and just screwed that in with pocket holes here to grab a stud, and then I forget what this fitting's called, but it's what's needed for a shower. A flange on the back side that bolts to this. I couldn't get screws in here, so I had to use little bolts. I think they're like number 10s. And then this is just a support in the back side, and it's stout. You want the shower head as far back as possible. So I had to drill that hole bigger in order for it to be on an angle. It's just figure it out if you have to do it. So from here up with pecs, the plumbers watching this are gonna be like, what in the hell? Got dirt bike handlebar clamps holding the thing on. Oh my gosh. No go. Go. There she is.